Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Check your device is updated and connected to reliable Wi-Fi so nothing times out. Next, choose an email or phone number to use for the new Apple ID and optionally add a payment method later. Back up the old account's data to iCloud or your computer so you can restore what you need. Once done, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone, then select Create Apple ID to start the new account creation flow. Now complete the form with your name, birth date, new email address, and a strong password. Apple enforces complexity to protect your account. Make sure to verify the code Apple sends to that email or phone and enable two-factor authentication for added security. After verification, sign into iCloud and the App Store with the new ID, then choose which services to sync. Once configured, review payment and subscription settings to avoid unexpected. To remove the old account, go to Settings, tap your name and choose Sign Out. Decide whether to keep a copy of contacts and other data locally. Then sign in with your newly created Apple ID and restore any backups you saved earlier. Make sure subscriptions and purchases are transferred or noted. If you encounter issues, check Activation Lock and ensure the old Apple ID is removed from Find My. If stuck, reset network settings or contact Apple support with proof of ownership to resolve account lock problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.